Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to place order on 1688 and make payment with your card, whether MasterCard or Visa card. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Fish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing we want to do here is to go ahead and open my 1688 Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to click on here now to open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app. Having opened up my 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing we want to do is to source for product from the supplier. Here, there are so many ways by which you can use to source for product from different supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app. One of the first ways is that you can come to the top right here, click on the search icon right here. So when you click on the search bar, click on it again, and then your notepad is going to pop, your keyboard is going to pop up. Then you can type the name of the product you are looking for. Let's say I'm looking for bags. So I will simply type in bags and I'll hit on search. And in a few seconds, we are going to see the result right here. So many bags from different supplier right here. You can scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more a lot of supplier is going to load up right here. However, you can also make use of this camera icon from the top right here. When you click on the camera icon, it should take you to, it open up your camera on your phone. Then from there, you can select the product picture and upload it. Then from there, you can see a similar result. Alternatively, we can click on here to go back to the home page. Click on here again to go back to the home page. Then from the home page right here, you can also search for the supplier. You can scroll down right. The more you scroll down here, the more you see different supplier as the case may be. However, in this tutorial, I'm going to use this particular baby shoes right here as an example. I'm going to click on the product link. So when we click on the product link, it's going to open up like so. Next thing we want to do here is to click on here to proceed to the sales. So when we click on the product link, allows it to load up, and then it will take you straight into the sales page, just like what you see right here. Then you can scroll down right here and check on more detail about the product. The more you scroll down, the more you see the product picture. However, this depends on the number of product picture that the supplier upload on their sales page, just like what you see right here. Once you are able to satisfy with the product detail, next thing you need to do is to click on buy now right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Then here, this is where you need to choose the size you want and the style you want. So in this tutorial, I need size 23. I need just one pairs of size 23. I will click on here to select the size, and I need black color, which has been selected. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed. It's going to take us right here, just like what you see right here. You can scroll down right here. Now here, what we want to do here is to change the payment option from Alipay into card. Just like so. Now, what we want to do here now is to make sure we click on new debits. So what it's going to take us right here. What we want to do here is that we need to make sure we click on new credit or debit card. We click on that. So right here, we need to fill up our card detail right here, such as card name, month, CVV, and the card holder name. I'm going to start from the card number right here. I'm going to enter my card number. Having entered my card number, I need to move to month right here. Then you have to enter the expire month where you have it on your card. Then enter the expire here alongside. The next thing you need to do is to enter the CVV 3-digit at the back of the card. The next thing you need to do is to enter the card holder name, the name on the card. The same way you have the name on the card should be entered right here. Once you are done, hit on confirm and continue. So just like what you see right here, that we have successfully added the card in our 1688. Next thing we want to do is to make sure we switch to card payment. So you can see I've selected the card payment right now. So having selected the card payment, you can see amount I'm paying now in USD. The price will change to USD, just like what you see right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on pay now. Just like what you see right here, payment was done successfully without any stress. Now, for us to be sure that our payment has been done successfully, let's go ahead and check my 1688 profile. So I'm going to simply go back. Then what we want to do now is to click on this icon right here. Then here we go. You can see now that we have an order that has already been paid for right here. What you want to do is to simply click on this icon right here. Then you will see the order that we just paid for with our bank card. And at the same time, you will receive a debit alert from your bank issuer card. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.